Welcome to the third video of Unit 4, Linear Relations. Today we'll be going over the gradient slash the slope of the line. So the slope of the line is basically how steep the line that you plot on the graph is. So we can figure this out with the form rise over run. So the rise decides how much the point on the line goes up or down, and the run decides how much the line goes left or right. So let's say we have a point at 0, 0, the origin, and the rise is 2. That means that the point will go up by 2, so 1, 2, right there. And then let's say the run is 2 as well. So that means that the point will then go right by 2 units. 1, 2. That will be another point, and you basically just continue this, and you get a full graph like that. It's not plotted perfectly, but yeah, it would be something like that. So, so the formula to find rise over run, this is only if you don't have a graph given, because you can just figure out the rise over run if you have like 2 points. So since this is 2, 2, and this is 0, 0, we know that it goes 2 right and 2 up. So rise over run would just be 2 over 2. Um, but let's say we don't have a graph. We only have points. So here it would be y over y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what you do here is that you pick 2 points on the line. And so you pick 2 points on the line basically. So we'll use an example. 1, 3 and 3, 7. 3, 7. So we'll call 1 here x1, and we'll call this y1. And here we'll call this x2, and we'll call this y2. So what you do, then you just plug these into the formula. So it would be y2, 7 minus y1, 3 over over x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 1. Now this would be equal to 4 over 4 over 2. Now you can also simplify this into literally just 2, like that. Okay, so then how would you graph this? So let's just make a graph real quick. Okay. So the first point is 1, 3. So 1, 1, 3, right there. Second one is 3, 7. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right there. Okay, so you have those 2 points. Then you could also just find them out like this. So we can double check this. 1, 2, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's right. Then you just make your line like that. That's how you would find the slope if you didn't have a graph to refer to. So now there's also some important rules that you should know for this. So the first one is that are positive slopes. A positive slope means that the line goes up as you move right. So we can see that with this example right here. The second one is a negative slope. Lines go down as you move right. So we can see this example here. The third one is the zero slope, which means the line is flat or horizontal, kind of like this here. And the last rule is the undefined slope, which is just a line that's vertical, like this. Okay, so that's it for today's topic. Um, yeah, see you guys in the next video.